up, guys? Today we are going to do an oil change on my E46 M3. So we already got the engine popped, or the hood popped, engine cooled off. You don't want to do it when it's hot. And I ordered my supplies from ACS Tuning, and I'm getting ready to open the box. So inside we have a bunch of filler, the oil filter. So it's going to have a little gasket and some washers and a smaller gasket.
Wow.
And then the filter itself.
Pretty.
So that goes in right here. And I believe that is a 13mm thing, and it's really simple. You just lefty-loosey right here. Yeah. And in here I have...
But first, drain the oil.
Well, yeah, first you got to drain the oil. That's part of changing the oil. But we have 10W60. It's Race Tech. Whoa, just BMW things.
Just BMW things.
So, yeah.
Big brother.
Yeah, that's a big old boy.
Do you know what size the drain plug is?
Come back and I'll let you know.
Okay. And then jack points, where are those?
So the jack points on this car are going to be right here, and then symmetrically on the other side.
Okay. Pull the e-brake.
Pull the e-brake.
Put the jacks into there. Start draining it. Pop off the fill cap.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Oh, God.
All right. Now your car's in the air. Safely supported by jack stands. Also, I'd recommend never working under just a jack, because that's not safe. Hi.
You need... Oh, you have your own ratchets.
Yeah.
Because you is a ratchet. Fill cap off.
If you don't want to get your hands dirty, wear gloves. It's free advice for you guys out there.
During anal. Break time.
Also, safety glasses are always smart anytime you're doing work, but especially underneath the vehicle, because stuff falls and you don't want it to fall in your eye. By the way, guys, this is our break room. We've been making improvements with it. It's got the vibes. So, it's pretty cool. It's got the vibes. We gotta get a TV, but I'm happy with it. But let's get back to work. So you get the drain plug. There's a little plastic cover. You may not have it like me, but if you do, you gotta take that off.
Where's it located?
Under the engine.
Yeah, don't touch the lens.
Oh, I hope I didn't. Oh, how far underneath was it, dog? It's like right there, guys. So you gotta kind of come maybe get your hips with the front bumper and you'll be able to reach it. It's a little fur back. T40. It might be different for different years. Yeah.
T40, what is it? I don't know what this is called. The Starbit thing. Yeah.
This guy right here.
Yeah. 6 point, I think.
I count.
Here it goes. There it is. Like how it made exactly the noise I was saying.
Is there a good way for me to feel when it's about to be done?
I do it with my fingers, and what I do is I press up. Like I press the threads in as I twist it, and then once you feel those threads cross over, you know, pop back in, comes out, and then you get startled, and you like jump up and hit your head on the bottom of the car.
Dog, quit saying that. I'm near. Oh.
Oh, you made a fucking mess. Yeah, it's gonna pop off. Other side now. Nice. Perfect. Well done. They should just make one universal connector style and not confuse everyone.
When we make our own cars, that's what we'll do.
Imagine all the BMW fans right now, like,
you press it down.
This camera's kind of hot. Auto exposure. Yeah, I'm down with that. And then doesn't the whole top screw off too?
Yep.
Whoa. Do you have a special BMW tool number 6053879?
No, I think you just grab it.
Oh. Leave the bolt in. Look at that little ball at the end.
There's like a little gasket down there too.
Oh, you need to replace that gasket.
Yeah.
No wonder it's leaking so much.
Well, I have it, so.
Perfect.
And then we also replaced this washer, which is like bent.
Yeah, what's going on outside? It's like a whole party.
It's a party, Dude, look. Dude, whoever put that on tightened the hell out of it.
That is messed up.
Goodness gracious.
I don't think the PSI is high enough. Go to 300. And there's a gasket in there.
Gasket right there.
And there's a gasket on the filter.
Correct.
Which may come pre-installed.
I think so.
Let's take a look.
And there's a little rubber on the top there. Can you bring me more paper towels?
No, there's no gasket on it. Angle it.
Yeah, I guess I'll just kind of manhandle it.
Look at that. Well done.
Oh, hey, while we're here, we'll make a quick shout out to our friend Gregor. So if you guys don't know, we're doing a GoFundMe to help finish the showroom, which is not done, hence needs finishing. So we started a GoFundMe, and our good pal, who we went to middle school, grade school even, Keaton's case, high school with, longtime friend, family, Gregor, gave us a nice, generous donation. So we just wanted to shout him out. So thank you, Gregor. We love you, man. And there's more shout outs to come. Go ahead and put in the new oil filter. As you can see, there's the big gasket that goes on that. And then there's a little washer and the little gasket that goes on.
One of those washers is for the drain plug, I think.
Yeah.
Although the old one's copper.
One of them replaces this thing, which, good lord, what happened? It should not look like that. I can tell you that much.
I really don't know how that happened. Retrieve your small O-ring. Insert onto tip of bolt and roll down shaft.
Like so.
Fit snug.
This one and our new one.
Slink.
Ta-da!
Well done. I'll put the new one.
Get this gasket out. Little O-ring.
Bye bye O-ring. Oil's good for metal.
We'll just put the new one right in, right?
You should oil it.
I mean, there's plenty of oil on it.
Yeah, just get a little bit on that little glove finger of yours and rub it around that O-ring so it's nice and lubed up. Because when you tighten that thing down, you don't want it stretching and or not tightening all the way.
So now it's mildly lubed up.
Is there oil on my face?
I don't see any.
Okay.
We'll just slide it in there like so. And then we'll be ready to reinstall our oil filter. Our new one. Yay! Not the old.
So, garage, how to clean up oil.
Wow, check this out. Shout out our boy Otto. Check it out.
Made in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Herzegovina.
So yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt to say that, but shout out our boy. And to
But
put
don't
it in
cap
there,
it yet. Yeah.
just
No cap. Exactly.
ta-da.
Then we go return the drain plug.
We then return the drain plug.
Yes. Pop it real quick. Nice. No, prime the filter.
What do you mean prime it?
Pour some oil in that bitch. But measure how much you pour. However, most oil spec recommendations for capacity don't include the filter change. So you can just pour it until the filter's soaked, and then do the normal.
Did you already grab your?
Careful.
Oh, this is probably like 30 Newton meters of force. Yeah.
That's a good guess.
So, make sure to spill it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, why? That's so annoying.
Yeah, it's Germany. What are you gonna do?
All right.
Another great idea. Go ahead and do that.
Okay.
But without starting your engine, crank it for like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And that'll give it a good oil priming.
Now, Keaton, when you say that, what do you mean?
Crank your engine without starting it. So you could like disconnect the fuel injection fuse, or the spark plugs. Oh, that's pretty bad. Don't do that. Yeah, just the fuel injector fuse.
Thanks.
Yeah. Is that right? Are you doing this right?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I don't know BMWs.
Why would it not be right?
I don't know. There's a tab on that thing. Does it need to line up on any?
No, I mean that's just how you grab it.
Oh, how convenient.
Oh, it feels good.
I don't think it's good.
More?
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
That's good. That looks good to me. Yeah.
So now, you pour the oil in.
Yeah. You
The
can,
hard part.
don't forget to reconnect this.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. So you're gonna put 5.75 liters of oil
1060.
into the engine.
Go ahead now. Now return the engine cap. Well done.
Safely dispose of oil for the environment. Otherwise, folks, that'll wrap it up. That is the tutorial on how to do a oil change on your E46 M3. Big success.
Big success. And then I was like, big success. And no one laughed.
Haha.
Big success.
Alright guys, so I've taken it off the jack stands, closed the hood, got everything cleaned up, and the oil is changed. So let's start it up and hear it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We got other good videos, and hopefully this helped you out. Thanks.
Big success. Big success. Big success.